Hi Cancer, I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. In today's reading, I am going to do your July month's reading. So, in this reading, Cancer, I am going to pull out three cards for you past, present, and future, and three cards for your person past, present, and future. And then I am going to pull out one card from Universe Guidance. Then I am going to pull out the Power of Love activation card. So this Power of Love activation card is these are very nice cards, and they give you guidance about how to heal yourself in the current situation. And at the end, Cancer, I am going to pull out angel answer card. So in for that you need to ask a question, and I will try to give you answer through these cards in yes or no. So always remember that your question should be in should answer in yes or no. Okay, so let's start your reading. Okay, so Six of Cups, Five of Wands, and Ace of Swords. Now your person's Chariot in reverse, Page of Swords, and King of Cups. Okay, so Cancer, in this spread, what I can see is Six of Cups in your past. So this was a past life connection. This was a past life connection, and you two were meant to come together. Okay, and here you see how this girl is giving a bouquet to this old lady. So maybe a old lady is involved in this connection. So I can strongly see old lady is there, and there is a child. Okay, in the present situation there is Five of Wands. So Five of Wands shows conflict, maybe competition. So you feel like in the past there was some this connection is a past life connection, but in the current situation, in the past it looked quite very good, but in the current situation there is a lot of conflict, maybe difference in the opinions, difference in the thoughts, or probably there is a lot of competition, probably competition for you, or probably competition for your person. But I strongly sensing here there is competition for the attention, probably for you. Okay, so there are too many people who are fighting to get your attention. Maybe there is third party, or maybe things may be reverse also. So there could be your person who is in his environment. There are many people who are looking for his or her attention, and we'll see how it goes. Then in the future there is Ace of Swords. So in the future there is some clarity coming in. So what I feel here, because of this conflict could be not just for the attention, it could be difference in the opinions, difference in the thoughts, in the living lifestyle, or it could be anything. So what I feel that this conflict is going to be resolved in future. There is clarity coming in the future, and this clarity is coming in from the universe. So this Ace of Sword is given by the universe, so it is kind of victory. So you are going to overcome this kind of uh, currently, if there is some kind of fight is going on, if there is some difference in opinion is going on, you are going to get clarity, and this thing is going to be resolved at the end. So this is what I get, because everything is clear over here, everyone is gone, now there is some clarity with the winner. Now for your person, Chariot in reverse. And in the present situation, there is Page of Sword in reverse, and in the future, King of Cups. So, probably in the past, Chariot in reverse. Probably this person, I strongly sense something relate. This could be for some specific group of people. For few of you, there is distance involved. There is strong sense of distance involved, and there is strong sense of a old lady, presence of an old lady. So this person was not able to move for you. It could be movement, physical movement, or movement in terms of mental movement, changing their thoughts, maybe trying to adapt to your what you are trying to say, what you are trying to convey. So to adapt to that, that person was not able to move ahead with that. Then Page of Swords. In the current situation, this person probably not talking to you. It is in reverse, but they are keeping an eye on you. This person probably not talking to you because whenever you guys talk, there is kind of conflict going on. So there is no communication, but this person is talking you, probably on the social media, probably on the WhatsApp or Facebook or Instagram somewhere. But this person is keep or maybe thinking a lot about you. Okay. In the future, King of Cups. So this person, I can strongly sense that this person is coming back to you. This person is coming back to you. They are going to see the love which they have for you, and with the Ace of Swords. So here the clarity comes. When the clarity comes, when the fights and these things are resolved, this person is going to come with the offer of love, and this is real love. And so this is very good energy which I am feeling. They currently, although they may not be talking to you, but in future they will, because they are looking at you, they are trying to know what is it, they are trying to get the clarity. And also, once the clarity is coming in, they will again offer you the cup of love. Now let's see what has universe has to say to Cancer. So, oh, Six of Wands. This is a victory card. So probably whatever fight, whatever challenges you are facing, Cancer, you are going to overcome that, and you are going to overcome that, and you will come out victorious. And yeah, so this is all about universe is trying to tell you that you don't have to worry for the current situation, and everything is gonna be fine. The end. So let's pull out one power of love activation card for you. Creativity. So this card I got for you, Cancer. Creativity. So you love to devise new ideas, innovation, and forms of illumination. Illumination is there. Probably this is related to the Ace of Swords. So creativity, you have to be creative. So what I clearly see that universe is trying to tell you to be creative and expressing yourself, so that the clarity comes in. Probably if you two guys are not talking, then the creativity may be in your thoughts, maybe the way in your perception, how you are perceiving the things. You try to be creative in that. You try to be creative in knowing other person. Maybe if you are not talking, you can think over that. You can when you are meditating, you can meditate over how things went, and what was the reason for these fights. So you will get some clarity on that. So this is what I am getting for you guys. And one card for answer to your question. So please ask a question. You can comment in the comment box below, and let's see what is Angel has to say to you. What Angels has to answer to your question, Cancer. Okay. Ask for help from others. Okay, so in this situation, this is for For me, this is a yes, but you need to get help from others as well. So here it is not just you alone cannot fight all the fights, all the wars. You have to seek help. So this help probably you are already getting in the form of spiritual help from the angels, from the god universe, and probably if someone is offering you help, you should be receptive towards it. So this is yes from me. And yeah, so that's all from this reading. Thank you, Cancer, for watching this video. If you liked it, if it resonated, please like, share, and subscribe. Love and light. Take care. Bye.